Hi there, my name is Carly Shishka, and I am a student assistant with the Student Success Center at Lakehead University. And today we're going to be discussing job searching for full-time employment. So, of course, there's many different avenues you can use to explore with job searching, and it can be a little frustrating and confusing at times. So, today we're going to discuss the most four pivotal ones I find that can really outline your success. So, today in further detail, we're going to be discussing creating a professional and effective resume and cover letter, using job banks, researching companies, and networking to create your own opportunities. So, of course, considering these tips can help you stand out to employers, which is very important at a candidate level. And you want to be, of course, organized, interested, and hardworking, which these can really strongly reflect as well. Being success driven is huge, and we want the employer to be able to recognize this. So, amongst everything we're going to discuss today, just remember that a positive first impression is very important for finding employment. So, of course, when it comes to creating a professional and effective resume and cover letter, there's again many different ways that we can do this. But typically, I find that the best way to do this is by ensuring it is a customized resume and cover letter that you're submitting for each job you apply for. So, when we do this, I find that it is typically best done by actually taking the job description of any job opportunity that interests you and using that as a reflective match towards what would be seen within your resume. So sometimes it could be a matter of actually printing that off and highlighting it and then ensuring that's actually reflected throughout your resume and cover letter or whatever works best for you. Another way we can do this is to attend a resume session offered by the Career Zone to learn how to properly write a resume and cover letter. We also do reviews amongst our workshops and many different things to explore with that. Alongside this, we do also have online resources available. So more information about all of this can be found at lakeheadu.ca/careerzone. And we'd be more than happy to assist you with that as well too. Of course, other resources also exist as well, such as the Big Interview tool, which does feature a resume builder tool alongside assist you in your interviewing process and shaping towards how those interviewing skills are viewed. And then lastly, another thing that we can do to really ensure that we're creating a professional and effective resume and cover letter is to have it reviewed by a professional in the industry or another set of eyes, which could give you that second look towards it and offer suggestions for improvement as well. So, of course, now when it comes to actually searching for the jobs using job banks, these are a very, very useful tool as a starting point. However, of course, they aren't the only means for job searching. Of course, many of us are very familiar when it comes to Indeed, any intern, LinkedIn, Lakehead University Job Bank as well, or of course the Government of Canada Job Bank. So these are very useful tools to use when searching for employment, but just note that they can more so act as a starting point. Of course, other avenues to explore within this, aside from searching job banks, include company websites or local advertisements, speaking with locals in the industry, and seeing what they have to offer as well. So when it comes to actually researching companies and checking their company websites, again, there's a few considerations we want to keep in mind when it comes to this. So searching towards what else can be explored within the actual company goes to show a lot for what can be offered and what your role might look like. So you want to obviously make sure that you're a good fit for the company and that you want to work for the company as much as you want to work for the specific job or position you're applying for. Company websites often host their job banks. They also state their mission statement, any values they have. So, a lot of critical pieces of information can be obtained through this. So, again, just as a reminder, we want to be sure to research the actual company, not just the job titles, as this on its own will open up more job opportunities too. And you will also gain insight towards the employment satisfaction rate too. Research the company mission statement and values, as I've already mentioned, to ensure you're a good fit and they align with those of your own. And of course, search for the jobs or career section towards the company website. Typically, these are found towards the bottom of the page. But if you do have a hard time navigating this, you can, of course, have a point of contact with a manager or any specific other communication that you may find through the contact us section and just express your interest towards that. So just know that employing these skills throughout the initial job searching stage can also demonstrate to the employer that you as a candidate may offer towards the organization if hired. So, when it comes towards networking and creating your own opportunities, there's a lot more potential with this than I feel like many of us truly take advantage of. So, research shows that 80% of jobs are not actually posted on job banks, and therefore, networking and taking these other opportunities through research can create a wide range of employment opportunities unseen by those who only use job banks. So, with this, we want to consider attending events that allow for networking opportunities such as the Lakehead University Career Fair that are hosted several times throughout each academic year. Another great way to do this is by creating a LinkedIn account. Again, we do have many resources on our lakeheadu.ca careerzone website about this and how it can be navigated and used effectively. You can join RBC's 10,000 Coffees to network with industry professionals. A lot of success seen from information sessions, even they host as well. And of course, you can always just practice your networking skills through a career zone networking workshop, coffee chat, so on and so forth. So, really just taking advantage of the services that are offered around you and just creating these own spaces where you're allowed to just have these conversations that may not have happened otherwise. So just know that with everything we've discussed, of course, there's much more detail that can be covered and many other tips that can be found as well. So our Career Zone website, again, lakeheadu.ca zone does host more information about all of our services we offer, resources and tools we have for you to explore. Of course, events and workshops, networking opportunities. Everything we've discussed today can be found more thoroughly through our website. So I really hope you were able to take something from our session today and that you are able to achieve success in searching for your full time employment. Take care.